What's up, guys? Brett here from Soul Rebels, and today I'm going to be talking about my macros on a rest day. I had posted a previous video where I discussed my macros on a training day. So if you look above, it's a rest day, and to the right, you can see the amounts right here, and then the food I'm going to be eating. Um, and then if we just come right over here, you can see where the calories are at, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. I think the important thing is to look down at the bottom right here. Right there is my calories, my total calories, my limits for today, right? My macro percentages are my protein is at 48%, my carbs is at 20%, and my fat is at 32%. Now, the total calories I have adjusted. There are less calories I have than what I would have on a training day. And my limit, based off of my total daily energy expenditure on a non training day and at a calorie reduction, I'm looking at 1,938 calories. Okay? And 48% of that comes from protein, which should be about 229. And based off of my nutrition, I'm getting about right here 233. So it's kind of around that marker. Okay. And then my carbs, I have them a little bit lower than training days. It's at 20%. Okay. Which is right here. And total carbs should be at 97, and I got them right around 98.75. So I'm hitting that mark pretty good. Okay, and then my fat should be 32%. It's higher. Okay, fat's really important too. That helps with hormones and your endocrinology. And it's at 32%, and I should be getting 69 grams, and I'm getting today 65.15. So it's still in the ballpark, okay? So what you're seeing is, based off of the two Excel spreadsheets, is, a training day is going to have higher calories, higher carbs, and on the non-training days, the carbs are going to lower because you're not going to be expending as much energy, and you're going to have higher fat, keeping your protein relatively high so that you retain your muscle. And that's part of the repairing process, is having a higher amount of protein. Okay, but yeah, if you guys have any questions on how to set up your macros for the week, I'd be more than happy to help you guys. All right, cheers. Take it easy.